Need reliable lawn care to keep your yard looking its best? Welcome to Miranda Lawn Services LLC, proudly serving Hutto, Texas with professional landscaping services. With 15 years of experience, we deliver consistent results, detailed work, and outdoor solutions that enhance your property. Our services include lawn mowing, spring clean UPS, mulch and grass installation, bush and tree trimming, tree removal, and more. Call us today at 512-897-7938 or visit mirandalawnservices.com to schedule your service. Keep your yard in top shape. Contact us today and enjoy a clean, well-maintained outdoor space.